People tell us all the time, I didn't even know this was a vegan sandwich, or I didn't even know this didn't have any meat in it. It's a vegan root vegetable Reuben. People will get this sandwich multiple times before they try anything else. Plants forever.
What? Another sandwich show?
We are at Gladys. I am Chef Rodrigo Cruz, and we are about to enjoy a Reuben. A lot of hands go into this dish, a lot of love. One thing that I do enjoy about working here is that we make everything from scratch, so we don't get anything frozen sent to us. We get the celery root, 25-pound bags. Then we top and tail it, clean it if it's hairy, depending on the time of year. Sometimes a lot more hairier than others, unfortunately. After we top and tail it, we'll spiral it. We'll normally do a poaching method to cook it and soften it up a little bit. Does really well with keeping the texture of a traditional pastrami sandwich. And then we marinate it with a beet and garlic concentrate that we make a couple times a week because we go through it so much. At least 24 hours so it gets a nice color. The flavor really penetrates into the celery root, and then it's ready to go. Celery root goes on the flat top, and we add a traditional pastrami spice to it that's made specifically for us. And then we put the sauerkraut on there, let it cook up, put the bread down, give it a nice toast, and we put the fries down. Every sandwich does come with fries. You can get a side salad if you want, but I think fries are going to be the way to go for that one. It's a pretty fast sandwich. We make a point. You come and eat with us. You're not going to be waiting for food forever. Gourmet flavor, as I like to say, but with fast food times. For the fries, once they come out, you can get them plain, which is just salt. Nice and crispy fries, which is really good. Or we have a seasonal flavor. Sour cream dust goes onto the fries once they're salted, layered with a black garlic aioli dressing that we make. Comes topped with chives at the end. A play on sour cream and onion. people tell us all the time, I didn't even know this was a vegan sandwich, or I didn't even know this didn't have any meat in it. We do put a lot of attention and care into making sure that the texture is right for the pastrami, that the celery root gets tender, but not too tender, so it doesn't just completely fall apart in your mouth. As you saw when I took a bite, it does have some stringiness to it, and the flavors are just really good. The beets for the coloring also add a little bit of earthiness to it, so it really rounds out the dish very well. Delicious. So the sour cream and onion is just a very nice traditional flavor, which I feel, being vegan myself, hard to find a sour cream that isn't dairy based that tastes good. So when we came up with this idea, I was very excited personally because I did enjoy sour cream and onion chips. And this is a nice little take on it. It's very refreshing. The herbs are very fresh on there. So even though the potato is kind of a heavier vegetable, the chives really elevate the dish and bring it a little bit of a lightness and airiness to it.
Oh, this is so good.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. A lot of love, a lot of attention, like flavors. We really do work a lot. Chef Dave, Chef Rocky, been chefs for a really long time and vegan for about 20 years. So they definitely have a lot of passion. And then, that gets translated into the food very well, I would say. Come and join us. We are open Monday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. We will be here ready and happy to serve you guys. People will get this sandwich multiple times before they try anything else.